Chop. 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 Let me go one chop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Chop. Look, chop, look. Look. Yeah, chop. Chop. Yeah. Chop. Guys, I want to dash away, you know. You know how long we are so, no? You know, no? Chop, them dash away though, a long time we see them.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh. Hey, Mushkin love a car, you know?
Nah.
No, so I want to dash away, man. You know, dash away.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mushkin, then dash away, don't it? Yeah. Anything Mushkin say, Allah. Chat. Anything Mushkin say, Allah. That way I work with. No, come. You cannot go for the hill. Watch out, watch out. Come.
Yeah.
Come on, sometimes you go to school. Come. Jack, Mushkin can't look up, you see that? Look. Come, Mushkin, come. Sky, you're not up again. Sky. Yeah, Sky. Huh? Guys, I'm going to update for Mushkin. Come on, man. I'm going to update for Mushkin. Mushkin's favorite word. Shall I come look here? No, favorite word I give them. Apple?
Apple?
Yeah. Apple. 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 Yeah. Hey, no, you can't go along, baby. One.
Two.
Oh, we're done with them. We're done.
Three.
Yeah, aye. One more time.
More.
Oh. Chat, I'm done, we're done. Come here, baby, come here. Nana. One more. Look. Mushkin. Mouth. Mouth. Mushkin said she not do nothing free of a PR.
2, 3,
5.
5.
Guys, thank you so much. Everybody, thank you so much. And one big up. Nicole, big up. Unpredictable, big up. Yeah, Mushkin, smart bad man. I'm out, boss way.
Now.
You know? Hey, chat, Mushkin have a style there. Let me tell you Mushkin style now. She have a style for gossip now. Like, she will sit down in her lap and gossip.
Car.
In her face.
Yeah.
Yeah. See a big up Roxy. Race again. Look for your foot. Mushkin, you scoop up there with your foot, man.
Yeah.
Walk and lift your foot. Look. Walk like that. Come. Walk. Ice the foot. Right.
Yay.
No. Walk and ice the foot. Watch out. Come here. Come here. Guys, when time Mushkin go to school, I forgot to buy enough shoes for her. No, sir. This soon done. Look where you told them. Look where you told them. You Mushkin? Hey, you one of them mark up on the ground and Mushkin do it, you know?
This.
Yeah. When you go to school, I forgot to buy 2 shoes for you. You have to get 2 shoes, Mushkin. Yeah, you have to get 2 shoes. Apple? 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 Yeah. Car. Yeah, car. Yeah. Chorus. Yes, I can. Lift your foot. Get tired, man. Get tired. Come, get tired. Yeah, man, Chad. Yeah, Mushkin to you. Take your time, come. You walk strong like you own the ground. You own the ground? The ground of your one?
Yeah.
What?
Kai.
Yes, Kai. You remember that one? That's Kai. Yes, Kai. Yes. Mushkin say yeah. You know me, I wonder if I miss your car when she said that. Because when we run her down, she never said that not child. Abby. Owie? Owie? Bye. Yeah. Daddy? No. Come here. Come. It's a fish. Fling it on like shit. Fling it on like shit.
Yay!
Yeah. Yeah, that's a fish.
Yeah! 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 Yeah!
Yo, me just can't. Chat, me feel like me a dream. The way how Mushkin he grew up so fast. Stone? I can't say that one there. Stone? 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 Yeah, stone. Yeah. Cool. Thank you. Yeah. Yes. Yes. And I look back at your phone with you. You want one, brother? Thank you. You want one, brother? Every time it's Mushkin, huh? Apple? Apple? Apple. Hi. Mushkin, stop back to the foot, man. Juice? You want juice now? Juice? Hey, now go stone people, them carrying up. Put on the stone.
No.
What time now? What time now? Check us to that. 19 past 6. Hey, me know what I'm going to do, you know? me know what I'm going to do. Ribbit. Chop, Mushkin, chop. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. I'm Neisha. That teacher will say Neisha no. Neisha?
Yeah.
Neisha?
Yeah. See?
Sky?
Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come. Say the body's sleeping. Wait. Another time we bounce it. Till it's nearly you. Shall we wait? Hold on, mama. Hold on. They're so still. Are they ill? Wake up, dear. Wake up to the body. Why chat Mushkin hyperactive learner to start bounce before every time. Nana?
Nana.
Nana?
Nana.
Nana? Nana? A problem. Forever big up. Put it down enough. One time to bring her in, a problem. Name of the cartoon. Oh no, Rachel. Guys, thank you for the gift. May I see some like a moon thing. Wink wink. Them the new. You ready? Alright, come. You know what going on, you have to walk down, come. Come. Watch. Alright, I'm going to lift it in, you know. Oh, yeah, come now, give me a hand. Mushkin.
No.
No? Okay then. Bye. 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 Give me a hand to road.
Bye.
Yeah, come too. Bye. Come, shut the brakes. Come, walk off. Yeah, walk off your juice. Yeah, Mushkin no bye. Bye. Come, look, mama. Mama, ice the food. Come, make dada have you, come. You not ready? Come man, come. Juice? Yay! Come now. Come on, juice? Yeah, juice. I dey carry them, you know you want to carry them. Come. Juice? Me know I'm gonna left you. Yo, you're too old, come. No, just too high for you. You go drop back here, come. You have to go creep up on it, mama. Yeah. Hold on, hey, you cannot go in there yet, mama, hold on. Mushkin, wait. Come. I'm fearing you done. Hey, me fearing you done, Mushkin. Come. Yeah. Me fearing, you know I'm done. Yeah. Me I look for the wipes, you know. You know. Yeah? Story time book?
You're not giving him the soap, you know? You're not giving him the soap and making him going at the park.
Hey guys, you know what? When you say tomorrow man we go to the beach, though, go make sandcastle with a Mushkin. Earlier man on the beach. Chat what you say? Boom man. Rabbit.
Look.
Yeah? Ribbit? Ribbit? Bedtime blessing. As the sun sinks gently in the glowing sky. Remember sky outside? Remember sky? God is watching over from his place and I. Yeah. As the sun sinks gently in the glowing sky. God is watching. Hey. Yeah. Yo. Come. Hear so? Every bird is special. He made each one unique. Birds. She won't catch him, man. So if I keep on one time gone, Mushkin wake up about 3 times for the night, for the battle. Just recently too. We are at beach, man. The competition does. Yeah, and that normal, it tired me out, you know. Sean, big up. Normally it tired me out bad, man. But you good now. It's not so bad. Yeah, tomorrow I got beach. Mushkin bucket, yeah? We're gonna make sandcastle tomorrow. Mushkin gonna make our first sandcastle. I thought if she know mash it down. Is there in a Mushkin room? Christmas gone, man. Why me there go and take life easy, you know? No, sir. I'm not so Valentine going on. Me have to me at Valentine Day because none of them can hurt my feelings. Me no want a friend come but if you go to Valentine Day neither. And them I go to them woman and me they sit down and look like me an idiot. Me and nobody now go to Valentine Day. Me have to stay in my yard. Nobody not take me for no idiot. They take me a fool. Like one time I go out and then everybody have woman and me they sit down and look upon them like me an idiot. Same man, you take me now feelings too. Go on now go. Mushkin, we are stay at home, yeah? No, Valentine's Day, Mushkin?
Yeah.
We are at a river. We buy fruits, take up a white sheet and we go spread on the rock them and we go sit down and eat fruits, yeah? You can't go on and go Valentine's Day. Yeah. You go wake up and look what's up like early in the morning, bright and early Mushkin. Some curry chicken and rice you go look about and go up on the seaside, the riverside. Michibu, what go on? Guys.
Let's do it! We're jumping, we're jumping, we're jumping, we're jumping, we're jumping, we're jumping, now we stop. That was so much fun! Great job!
I'm going to make one video phone, man. No one else. I'm going to fix on the business. Everybody will go Valentine's Day, I'm going to make one video phone. No one else. But just don't say me bad mind, I'm going to make a really bad video phone. Oh, young for popcorn. No, sir, she good, man. Let me show you what I do. I'll show you now. An example what I do. I search a pack. You see that I call this now for example. Where they look at trash part in them has come so. Just a part alone. The white part alone, and she good. And you know what the thing is too? She love it. Out of all her stocks them, she love this more. Out of all of them. So you know you not gonna choke her. Them there in the room put on in the jar there. I'm gonna write the boat tomorrow still, because that could be my swimming shoes tomorrow. Mushkin, Mushkin, we are going Saturday? Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. You see? I now have to go to Uno. Swimming shoes. Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah. What is steering? What is steering machine? What am I? We like to watch and scrap up in the top. So jump right in the car and stop it up it up. Oh, wishy-washy, wishy-washy, wishy-washy.
If you want to go away again,
Come along with me. Mushkin, you hear that? Somebody that try bad yo. Somebody that try bad yo. Chat, me now gonna know what Instagram there, man.
that's right. Do you know what shape this is? Shape this is. Do you know what shape this is? You guessed it. A circle. That's right. Do you know what shape this is?
Shape this is, shape this is. Shape this is. Do you know what shape this is? You guess it. A square. Yay!
Now we know all of our shapes, all our shapes, all our shapes. Now we know all of our shapes. Let's shout hooray! Hooray!
Yay. Mushkin say aye. 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 How tall? Now 6 feet tall. Yes. Me look tall to the door on the camera. Yo. Baba? Juice? soda. Mushkin, that's how we are. Boo, peekaboo, I see you.
I see your button nose.
I see your tiny toes. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Mr. Guys, you don't miss everything, you know. Maybe you call Toto. You know one piece of Toto? Yeah, man. Come. Maybe you call Toto. I'm not sure no Toto. No a big bake. You can't bake like me. No time, no day. Hold on, hold on. See there? Maybe you call Toto. Now watch the part I know, I cut it when it never cool and it broke up. But maybe I call Toto. I'm not happy with that, mama. It's a cucumber. I want a bite? Take a bite.
Apple.
No, cucumber.
Apple.
Cucumber.
Apple.
Everything I have to come. You come.
Apple.
Come. No, no apple, mama. No apple. No, come. You know, go play hide after the Mushkin. Go hide after. It's too fast. Too fast. Go hide after me. Hi. Hi.
Let's go.
Yo, Mushkin get fast. Mushkin get fast in the chat. You find me. She gets faster, man. You improve. Come. I want to try to hold her out, look a bit now. Bite. You cut your ear. Oh, you know. We cut off the end. Cause it there split. Hey. But you can't make gizzard. What name is that again? Oh, the coconut something. With the hard part. Eh? Me know if make that too. Come tell you why I'm gonna tell you why I'm not going to Valentine's time. We don't know. I'm telling you why. Inana. Apple. Me not going to Valentine's time day. Mushkin, we are stay at home. We're going to cook the food and we're going to go out, right? Yeah. Go in our room. Come. Because it's a room right. Watch out his teeth. That loady man. I saw the ass up. I saw that. I must say ass up. Shit, this never did a change. Come. Come. Hey, Mushkin, stop taking up my shoes them. If I make you 5th time, if you dare me, I put them back over here, so. Come now. I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna tell you something, chap. Let me do the tripod. Just say, I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna tell you something. Just say, if you take up a woman right now, I can't take up a woman for myself. I have to take up a woman for me and my daughter, but she can't set good example. I can't take up a woman, so. I know say go. Right now, I can't think for myself. I have to think for 2 hours. Next day, I'm going to take up a woman and the woman and Mushkin and baby. Me and baby say it 2 of them. What can go so? What can go so? Yeah, we can cook and clean, you know. Okay, you know, come on, man, I cook and clean. I lie down in a bed. Me not say me not do that, you know, but me I do that. But you have to know ball game. You have to know ball game, man. I know, so. I know. Yo. You ever mash up something with them, you know, yo. Anything you start work, you buy them back. Me I write down everything start from today and the price them. Come. Come, jump on bed. Wow. Hey. Hello. It's Miss Rachel. Yeah? Mushkin is giving our problems. Mushkin. Brush your teeth, Mushkin. Brush your brush. Brush your brush, brush. Ah. Brush your brush. Brush your brush, brush. Ah. Brush your brush. Brush your teeth. Keep it looking clean and bright. Brush your brush. Brush your brush, brush. Alright, back to me now. You take me for that. You take me for that. Hi. Boom, 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 boom. Pop, pop. I'm here to pick up Mushkin. Mushkin, let's go. We're gonna hit the road, Jack. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Roar! Roar! Man, I think I'm about to see Mushkin. Alright. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah. 911, what's the emergency? Yeah, Mushkin is here on the bed jumping. Your fingernail want cut, you know? Mushkin called me right here, so I fingernail want cut. If I cut a fingernail, I'm going to drop asleep, you know, I get it tonight. Come, you put it on. You want to take the clown, come. You put it on. Icky sticky bubble gum, bubble gum, bubble gum, bubble, bath baby, way, Lord, you can't see, give me, you can't see good. Bye. Charge, big up, you know. Hey. I have a tiny turtle, his name is Mr. Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he can swim. He ate up all the soap. Glug, glug, glug. No, I know that she said chat. She said he drank up all the water. He drank up all the water. Yeah, he ate up all the soap. I know he's home, sick in bed with bubbles in it. Bubble, 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 bubble. Pop! Bubble, bubble, bubble. You know, if you box me, you know, you boxed me a while ago. You boxed me a while ago. Yeah. Bubble, 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 bubble. Oh, I say something go. Me forget a box when you try part there. When you say pop, me try forgot a box. When you say pop, come here, man. Come here. Come again. Bubble, 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 bubble. If you ever. What? Jesus Christ, me done. Play by yourself. Play by yourself. Me done. You see that? Eh? The last chance me I give you. Come. The last chance me I give you. Come. Bubble, 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 bubble. Come start over. Yeah, rehearse. Come. I have a tiny turtle. His name is Mr. Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he can swim. He drink up all the water. He drink up all the soap. I know he's home sick in bed with bubbles in his bubble, 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 bubble. Come, let's sing it straight through. Bubble, bubble, pop. Bubble, 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 pop. Bubble, 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 pop. Bubble, 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 pop. Come, I hear that now for night. That's your bedtime song. Now come long time is up for me eyesight now. Let me take it off. One next song? Go sing 5 little. Chat, we are singing 5 little ducks. Come. Come Mushkin together. 5 little ducks wake up one day. Come. 5 little ducks wake up one day. Over the hill and far away. Mother duck say. We have start over. We have start over. Hold on. Come here. Come here. You need a drink. You come from bar. Come sit down. Come on, mama. Come. 5 little ducks wake up one day. Over the hill and far away. Mother duck say. Your fart. Your poop. Your poop, yes man. Mushkin. Your poop. Your poop. Mushkin. Guys, I'm not hear that. Come. 5 little ducks wake up one day. Over the hill and far away. Mother duck say. Quack, 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 quack. And only 4 little ducks came. Yay! Come, no go pay it. 4 little ducks. Jesus Christ. I say some good chat to go up my head. You put that much energy, come, you come. 4 little ducks wake up one day. Over the hill and far away. Mother duck say. Quack, 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 quack. And only 3 little ducks came. Yay! 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks wake up one day. Over the hill and far away. Mother duck say. Quack, 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 quack. And only 2 little ducks came. Yay! Come here. 2 little ducks wake up one day. Over the hill and far away. Mother duck say. Quack, 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 quack. And only 1 little duck came. Yay! 1 little duck wake up one day. Over the hill and far away. Mother duck say. Quack, 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 quack. And none of the 5 little ducks came. Man, blind me. Come, I'm here one day. I want to go see people the door. Come, sad mother duck wake up one day. Over the hill and far away. Mother duck say. Quack, 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 quack. And all of the 5 little ducks came. Yay! Car. Beep, beep. Vroom, vroom. Car. Hey, Mushkin, I want to say for that. Mushkin just want to play. So we never get no attention. That's why. She just want to play, man. You see? If I stop playing, that problem, you know. Three little ants marching in a line. They come up on a picnic where they can dine. They march into the salad, they march into the cake, they march into the pepper. That's a mistake. Ha ha ha. Two hungry ants were marching in a line. They come up on a picnic where they can dine. They march into the salad, they march into the cake, they march into the pepper. That's a mistake. Two sneeze on them, Mushkin. Yeah. One hungry hands. We march into a line. We come up on a picnic where we can dine. They march into the salad. We march into the cake. We march into the pepper. That's a mistake. You remember that one there good? Eh? You remember that one there? Huh? Roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the stream. Merry, 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 life before the stream. Now, let's pretend we see a crocodile. Roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Yeah. This one crocodile, Mushkin? What a crocodile? Me or them? What crocodile?
Yeah.
Them a crocodile? Me a crocodile? Mushkin, them a crocodile? Me a crocodile? Come, no, man, pull out your credit card. Me a savior. You know I'm a savior? Hold on, that pulse will come up on the phone. We'll have about anything to fix it. Hey, see, Mushkin said I'm a crocodile. You said I'm a crocodile. Want another song?
Yay! Yay!
Ha, he, ha, ho, ha, he. Ring, ding, 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 banana phone. Dum, 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 banana phone. I have a feeling so appealing. Dum, 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 banana phone. You like that one there?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Come, put your bag out of school. Put your bag. Back. Yay! Hello, Dora. Hey, make me talk to you. Come back. No, man, Mushkin. This I get tight now. Come, go to school. Now when you come back, you have a bag of bull in here. One bag of pink milk. What do you silver them? I get silver them. Buy one bag of bull for me. Bag of pink milk here. There? Yes. Tra-la. La 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 la. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Yay!
Yay! Hey, pass me a bit. Pass me a bit. Come. dangerous to you know, I can't make you hold it. Hi, can you say mama?
Mama.
Yeah, mama. Yeah, it's you, Yajinal. You Yajinal. You see Mushkin? Chat, Mushkin Yajinal, no. Big up for the gift them, chat. Mushkin Yajinal. You're not trick me, you know. You're not gonna trick me here. You're not gonna trick me no more, man. Yajinal, you know. Mushkin know, you know. She know what I want. You want to take it off? Uncomfortable? Come. Why? We give up. Hey, bedtime, you know? You know? Your bedtime. Two. Three hungry hands marching in a line. They come up on a picnic where they can dine. They march into the salad. They march into the cake. They march into the pepper. That's a mistake. Come, ba. Mwah. Yay! Yay! See, couple minutes to 10 o'clock now. Icky sticky bubble gum bubble. Come sing a bonus song. Go sing a bonus song, Mushkin. Stay the bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with our breath soon? They're so still, are they ill? Wake up still. Wake up to the bunny, hop to the bunny, hop, 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 hop to the bunny, hop, hop, hop. Come on, give me some young girl bongs, man. Hop to the bunny, hop, hop, hop. Like hop to the bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop to the bunny, hop, hop. She call me Mr. Bombastic, Fantastic. But when I'm a button, I'm Mr. Roll. Jaja. Oh. Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas! Ho 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 ho!